Hello everyone, welcome to Odoo Middle East webinars. This is Ahmad Hafiz, your business advisor for today. And today we are going to discuss managing your business manufacturing business in Odoo. And in the next 30 minutes, we are going to see how Odoo can ease your manufacturing operation. But first, let's have an overview about Odoo. This is me, Ahmad Hafiz Al-Klani, okay? Yes, you can see my slides. Yes. Can you see it right now? Yeah, I think yes. Okay. So this is me, Ahmed Hafiz Al-Klani. Okay, and today we're going to see what is Odoo, manufacturing overview, and our demo for today. Okay, as you can see, we have Odoo is a full ARB. You can manage your full company operations through it. We have started in Belgium by our CEO Fabian, and since then we have been operating all over the world. As you can see, Luxembourg, USA, Brazil, India, Hong Kong, and from our beloved office here in Dubai. Odoo is an all-in-one management app that can be used by anyone and by any business size. And it's easy to use, and our ecosystem as an open source software is powered by our community. You can have for more than 65 Odoo apps, our app store, also API integrations that we can provide you to integrate with any software you need, even if you have your own application, our hosting types, and our services. Okay, and for now, let's see our manufacturing overview and let's see what is the common problem faced in the manufacturing operations. Okay, as many of us do in industry, what is the main challenges we have is the inventory management, overstocking or understocking of materials leading to production delays or excess carrying cost. Production planning, inefficient production scheduling, and resource allocation cause bottlenecks and delays. Also cost control, which is very important for us to manage our costs, and inefficient production schedule and resource allocation causing bottlenecks and delays, inaccurate cost estimation and budgeting leading to cost overruns, and communication and collaboration between our departments, between our production manager and our inventory manager, between the procurement and sales. All this can be done through Odoo. Okay, so let's start with our demo and see how this can be done. Okay, this is my databases, sorry. Okay, we can see it from here. Okay, so this is a dashboard of our application in Odoo. As you can see, we will be focusing mainly on manufacturing. Okay, and right here we can see how we can see our manufacturing orders. Right now we don't have anyone. We can create a new manufacturing order based on our production plan. We can select the products that we want to manufacture, and as I forgot to say, today our business case will be hair for hair products, and this company is producing cosmetics and mainly shampoos and conditioners. Okay, and they are facing a problem with how they can manage their production and connecting the sales with production and procurement. But mainly we are going to discuss the manufacturing. Okay, so as you can see here, we can see the products that we have. We already have shampoo, 500 milliliters. And as you can see here, this is the bill of material of the products that we have. Okay, so if we started by the sales application here, okay, we can see that we can create a sale order. And from here, we can select our customer. and here we can select the products that we can sell. Okay, as you can see right now, I don't have a stock of this product. Okay, so if we say, for example, we are working to B2B and our customer need 100 units of our shampoo. Okay, so if we confirm this order, okay, we will see that we have a smart button here for delivery. Okay, and as you can see, we don't have a product availability. The product is not available. So to do so, we can go to inventory application, and in the inventory application, we can see here the replenishment report. Okay, so we can replenish the product that we need. As you can see here, it is automated. We can make the manufacturing order from here, and we can either automate this order or order once. Okay, so if we press this button here, it will trigger a manufacturing order in the manufacturing app. Okay, so as you can see here, the following replenishment report has been generated, and if we went to manufacturing, okay, we can see here our manufacturing product, ready or in progress. But right now, as we don't have the raw materials needed for manufacturing, it is waiting for components, as you can see here. Okay, so we can get back again and do the replenishment again. If we went to the inventory, because we have already set up our products and our vendors. So if we went to replenishment, you can see here the replenishment for all the needed raw materials that we need. The shampoo itself as a raw material, the shampoo bottle, shampoo stickers, and shampoo pump. Okay, we are getting all these products from the same vendor. We can choose here the route that we need to replenish this product, and we can also choose which vendor we want to buy this product from. But right now we have only one vendor for this product. If we have multiple vendors, we can add any vendors that we want. Okay, as we can see here, we can order once again. If we press that to automate this process, the system will automatically automate this process without needing to go to the replenishment report. Okay, we can order once, and voila, we can go to purchase app, and in purchase app we will see a new request for quotation for the needed products. As you can see, this is the needed product and the needed quantities for our manufacturing order. We will need around 50 liters of the shampoo. We will need 100 units of the shampoo bottle and 100 units of the stickers and 100 units of the bumps. Okay, from here we can send by email to our vendor asking for the request for quotation. We just need to add an email for him. We can say test@test.com. Okay, and save and close and send. Right now our vendor has the request for quotation, and we can see our request as you can see it. Okay, and if everything is okay, the prices are good, we are okay with these prices, we can confirm our order and receipt it. After receiving our products, okay, we can validate. Right now we can complete our manufacturing process. We can go to manufacturing. Okay, and we can finish our work order. We can either go from the tablet view, and in the tablet view we can add any instructions to our workers, and our workers can log in to this without being an Odoo user. It can be a portal user. Okay, and we can also see it from here, manufacturing order, and this order is in progress. As you can see, the components is not available, but we can replenish the products, and we have to move the products from our stock to our production area. Okay. Okay, we can duplicate this order and we can confirm, and right now you can see the two transfers here, and 2 transfers here are one for the pre-production and stock. Okay. And right now we need to do something with the inventory, as we have you can see 2 weightings and big components and 1 to process. We can set the quantities and validate, and then we can go to our manufacturing, and here the quantities are available. Okay, we can produce or plan. Okay, so we are going to produce all, and as you can see also we have a work orders. This is our operation and our work center. This is a filling operation, and it's done in the work center, liquid filling machine number 1. Okay, and this is the expected duration, and we can see the real duration as well based on the time spent on the production itself. And this will help us also in calculating the cost of manufacturing. Okay, also we have the lot serial number of the production orders that we have. Okay, and after we finish, we can see the cost analysis. And we have also 2 transfers, and we can see the first one is packing the raw material from the warehouse stock to the pre-production warehouse. And then we will take the finished products from the post-production to our warehouse stock. Okay, as you can see, we can set the quantities here and validate. And right now we have 100 units of shampoo in our stock and with serial number 2. Okay. If we went back to our manufacturing order, and this is so important for us, we can see the cost analysis of our production order. Okay, if you can see here, we have made 100 units from one manufacturing order, and as you can see here is the breakdown of the raw materials cost, and each unit cost we have shampoo bottles for 2 dirhams, shampoo pump for 1.5 dirham and 1.25 for the sticker, and the shampoo itself is 10 dirhams. So the cost of components per 1 unit is 8.75 dirhams, and here is the cost of operations, and the cost of operation per unit is 2.67. So the total cost per unit is 11.42 per each bottle. So we can track the cost of each bottle that we have from the bill of material and from the manufacturing orders that we have. So if the prices is changing from a vendor to vendor, from a production order to another, we can track the cost of each manufacturing orders that we have. So right now, if we went to our inventory and see the stock, as you can see here, we have 100 units of our shampoo, and right now the cost is 11.42, and here we can see the valuation report and all the stock moves that we have. Most importantly, if we want to sell the application and we need to create a new sale order or see the profit margin of any sale orders that we have, if we went here, as you can see here, this is the margin calculated automatically based on the cost of production that we have, and our margin is for 42.9%, and in this sales order our profit is 858. So this is automatically done through manufacturing and through the applications of Odoo, and this is how all the applications of Odoo is dependent and integrated with each others. Okay, and here we can right now deliver our order. We can set the quantities and validate, and as you can see, the products are now delivered to our customers. So if we went back to manufacturing, we can see all our work orders, and we can see the efficiency of our work center, and also we can see the reporting of work orders and manufacturing orders that we have. We can see it in many views Also, you can see it in pivot table, and as you can see here in measures, back order sequence, extra unit cost, product quantities, product produced, and as you can see, we have product produced 500 and total of 4 manufacturing orders. We can see here the material availability of each one, which is waiting for other operations, which is done. We can see also with dates, by year, by quarter, as obviously all the orders are done today. Yeah, okay, so if we set today, all the orders are done today. And the pivot table itself, it's an interactive pivot table. So if we went here, we can see all the orders. This is done, this is confirmed, this is canceled, and this is done. We can see all our manufacturing orders. Okay, so the manufacturing reporting tool is so important also for us, as we can see also the production analysis. Also, we can see it in pivot table. What is the average total cost, average component cost per unit, and average operation cost. We can see per product, or we can see per work center. Okay. So also we have activated our inventory valuation to make everything correct. As you can see from here, we have our product categories. If we have different product categories, we can define it here. And all product categories, we can set our inventory valuation differently for each one. Okay, we can use the standard price costing. We can use the first in, first out inventory valuation, and we have our average cost AVACO inventory valuation. We have to set it automated and set the accounting accounts in our chart of accounts, and set it here for the stock valuation account, stock journal, input account, and output account, to make everything smoothly in our stock valuation, and it automatically generates the journal items in accounting. And lastly, we can see here if we want to generate a new product or make any edit to our bill of materials. We can see here, this is our bill of material for our shampoo. And if we got here, we can see this is the product, the finished product that we have. And every manufacturing order, we need quantities to produce is 100. And right here, we have our components, the shampoo bottle, the shampoo pump, the sticker, and the shampoo raw material itself. We can change it because we have both a better filling machine, and we can make 1,000 units per manufacturing order. So we will need to edit the quantities for each component that we will need to back. Okay, we will need 1,000 bottles, 1,000 pumps, and 1,000 stickers, and 500 liters. Okay, and if we save this, we can see the BOM overview, and this is the estimation for the cost based on the previous production orders and the products that we have. As you can see here, the cost will not change, but as you can see here, this is the quantities that we need to produce. And most importantly, also we can see the lead time we need for this products to get from our vendors. So the shampoo bottles will need 7 days, and for the shampoo pump we'll need 5 days. For the stickers we need 7 days, definitely for the stickers to be printed. And for the shampoo we'll need only 3 days to get it to our stock from our vendors. So the estimated availability for is 1,000 products as by 8 August. Okay, so this is for our BOM and how it can help us in the estimation for the availability of our products. Okay, so if we went back to our operations, if we want to plan our production, we can create the production order from here. this is our shampoo, and this is the quantities we need to produce. And here we don't have any quantities, and we go through the same process again. So this is how Odoo manufacturing can cover all your operations. You can see all the reports that you need from the manufacturing reporting, and you can see the cost on real time based on every manufacturing order you do. Okay, so this is it for me. I was with you, Ahmed Hafiz Al-Klani. If you need any question or any answers, you can email me on my email, ahhe@odoo.com. Thank you and have a nice day.